are here with the guy.
Oh, what?
The man. Like if you're on YouTube, you know this guy.
Tyrone!
If you're on YouTube, you know this guy.
Please.
When I go to YouTube, like 3 of his videos pop up, and I'm like searching for like gardening tips, and his videos still pop up. So today we're gonna talk to him about the 300D Mark II, which is. I'm gonna let you talk about it.
Oh, it's on. Here we go. 300D Mark II. If you're on YouTube, like Tyrone was talking about, we've seen your comments. We see all the feedback that you're posting. We literally screenshot those comments, put them into research, and start working on them right away. So, a couple of the things that you're gonna see on this slide right here are all answers to comments that we've seen online. Your support, your feedback is honestly what shapes the product. So, let's do this. What's new? 1. 300D Mark II is 20% brighter than the original 300D. Original 300D is approximately about a 400 watt Joker HMI. This is now equivalent to about a 575 watt HMI. So super, super bright. Normally an HMI will cost you approximately anywhere from $4,000 to $6,000. This light right here, we're planning on pricing at approximately $1,200. So incredibly affordable compared to a lot of the prices here. But a couple details first. 1, Bowens mount. I can modify this light with a Fresnel, a softbox, anything I want, no problem. 2, 360 yoke, which means I can now rotate this light all the way. I can spin it, it actually clears the actual light. 3, not only is this light gonna be the brightest light in your kit, at maximum intensity, this is about, again, a 2.5K tungsten light. It is also the dimmest light because it can go underneath 10%, so you can do that kind of candlelight flicker, no problem as well. Next thing we improved the cable length. This right here is 7.5 meters long, which means I can leave my controller box on the floor. I can rig it up onto a menace arm or a goal post, no problem, leave the light there. Next, this controller box and the power adapter are now built into one. What that means is that there's no longer a fan. This is all passive cooling. So, if I take this off, this is it. This is the only thing in between my light and my wall. 3 ways of mounting this. 1, feet. I can put this on the floor, no problem. I can set it down, just like that. 2, I can hang it off this paracord. This is parachute paracord, holds 1,500 pounds onto a stand, no problem. 3rd, all of the lights are gonna ship with this super clamp and quick release plate. So all I do is I bring it up here, mount that onto whatever I want, bring this in and snap, no problem, mounts in, easy peasy. It's also got built-in lighting effects like explosions. I can do paparazzi. I can do fireworks. All of these effects are built in so I can actually cut between different light intensities. And this light is also battery powerable, not just on 2 lights, but also on a single V-mount battery. I can actually power the entire light just from one source, and then I'll snap on right here on the side. Also, we improved the length of this thing. This right here is a 6-meter long cable. So you got 6 meters from the wall to the light. You got 7.5 meters, approximately 22 feet from the controller box to the light. You don't need extension cables anymore. We're trying to take care of you. Finally, top thing here, this is actually an antenna built in. That right there, that is Wi-Fi. This is an app controllable light too, so you can pull out your smartphone, iPhone, Android, iPad, control all of your lighting wirelessly as well. And then finally, this is kind of a nerdy thing to geek out about, but I'm gonna geek out about it anyways. This case right here is totally empty right now. All 300Ds are gonna ship in this case, but if I put this down, take a seat on it.
Oh, just sit on it? Perfect.
Sit on it.
All right.
No problem.
And I'm a big guy, so this works. I need a seat.
This is a soft shell case that actually has hard plating built into it. So no matter which way you flip it, you can flip it Los Angeles style too. Sit on it, no problem. The bottom is actually knife proof. So you cannot tear the bottom, even if you take a blade to it. We're trying to make something that's lightweight for indie operators, but also heavy duty for rental houses.
Perfect.
So,
Yeah.
that's the 300D Mark II. Yeah, man, if you're posting comments, if you're seeing this stuff online, we see you guys. We're trying to listen. We live in a time where we don't have to ask people for feedback anymore. People just give it to you.
Yeah.
People just tell you, I wish it did this. I wish it did this. We know what to work on next, thanks to the guys that you guys are posting.
You guys seem to do it a lot quicker than most.
I think that's because we're not fogies and really old. I don't know. Honestly, yeah. We're trying to keep updated. We're all social media savvy. We all know what's going on online. So,
anything about like future firmware updates? Will there be firmware updates for it? Or?
I got some secret announcements, but I cannot talk about those until tomorrow.
Okay.
So give me one more day.
We'll come back and see you again tomorrow.
Cool, sounds good.
I want to thank you for your time today, man.
Appreciate it, absolutely.